cut the grass back, so like you've only got half a path. So I'm fucking crawling along on this thing, all going all over the place. And I was like, just like, turned it off, walked it in, it's like, morning, yeah, there you go, job done. See you later. Up to McDonald's, had a coffee, done a little loop of the estate. It's so good for that sort of stuff though, like those just like little errands. That's the trouble with these ones, you're like, oh yeah, I ain't got suspension. Maybe it's still in kilometres or something. Come on. It's like, get off. This is where you fuck yourself.
Yeah. See, because they're up so much.
Yeah, it's not the same as the MTEN, is it? he was going flipping like 81 That's it. Go. That's it.
It's a bit rough this grand. Yeah.